My beloved child, I see you. I see the heaviness you carry, the invisible weight that presses against your spirit. I see the tears you cry when no one is watching, and I know the pain you try to hide behind your smile. I know the questions swirling in your mind, the fears you cannot seem to quiet, and the ache that lingers in your heart. But hear me now, you are not alone. I am with you, in every moment, in every breath, and in every tear. When anxiety grips you and you feel like the walls are closing in, I am your refuge. When sadness washes over you like a tide that will not recede, I am your anchor. When you feel lost, unsure of which way to turn, I am your guide. I am not distant or detached. I am right here, holding you close, even in this very moment. Bring me your burdens, every single one. There is nothing too big or too small for me to handle. Lay them down at my feet and rest, for I am the one who carries your load. My shoulders are strong enough for every fear, every doubt, and every sorrow you feel. You were never meant to carry these alone. My peace is a gift I give freely to you. It is not the fleeting peace of this world, but a peace that transcends understanding. Let it fill your heart and calm your restless mind. When you are too weary to pray, let my spirit intercede for you with groans that words cannot express. I am your ever-present help in times of trouble. And I will never turn away from you. You are my masterpiece, created with purpose and love. Even in your darkest moments, you are not forgotten. I am working in ways you cannot yet see, bringing beauty from ashes and joy from mourning. Trust me, my child, even when the road is unclear. I hold your future in my hands, and my plans for you are good. Take comfort in knowing that I have gone before you to prepare the way. I walk beside you as your closest friend, and I stand behind you as your protector. There is no place you can go where my love will not follow. In your deepest valley, I am your light. In your fiercest storm, I am your calm. Know this, you are loved beyond measure. Not for what you do, but simply for who you are, my precious child. Nothing can separate you from my love. No mistake, no fear, no circumstance. My arms are always open, waiting to embrace you with tenderness and grace. Hold on, my beloved. This season will not last forever. The sun will rise again, and joy will return to your heart. Until then, lean on me. Find your strength in my presence and your comfort in my promises. Speak to me often, for I am always listening, and I delight in every word you share. Be still, my child, and know that I am your God. I will never leave you, never forsake you. Together, we will face whatever comes, and together, we will overcome. You are safe with me, now and always, with unending love, your Heavenly Father.